Hello, hello, hello. Happy Monday from the Spencer homestead. We are bracing for another foot of snow. So my husband this morning did the roofs on the runs of our chicken coops because the girls have been pretty much locked up inside. They seem okay, but I think they're waiting to get out. Oh yeah, they're there. Hi Dolly. What's going on, Fred? Must be most of them are inside the coop. We did the transfer the other night of Peggy, my Polish silkie mix. It was being such a bully in the Fancy Girls coop. And she is doing great. Hi, girls. Hi. She's doing wonderful. Hi. In fact, there she is. She's been trying to get out though, but... Hi, what's going on, Kathy? And this little guy has been flagging me. Happy springtime. Hi, girls. Now back out of here. These guys try to get out every time I open this door. And, so, there. So yeah, Piggy's doing great. Peggy. She seems to fit right in there. I don't know if I could have made a better choice. I'm very happy with it. Well, hi, Cartman. How are you doing? Hi, Elvira. So, I'll give you the newest update on this fancy coop without Peggy. I moved that little divider out of the way, and they're getting along as well as can be expected. They're still a little bit, they're being pecked a little bit, but you know, it's not like when Peggy was in here. She was grabbing them by the back of the neck and just riding them through, and it was horrible. How's it going, T? You guys being nice? Hi, Brenda. I'm Frida Jane. Up on the heater. I left the heater going because they're still just, you know, new. What's going on, huh? Hi, Cartman. You guys doing okay? So yeah, so that's the newest and greatest and the newest update. Look at Frida's tail. I don't know whether she's going through a mole or if Cartman has been pulling out her tail, but as if she didn't look ridiculous enough already. Just love her. We say she dances like Stevie Nicks because she does a twirl and fluff, and she's too funny. So, all right, well, I guess I hope everybody's having a great Monday and wish us luck with this next big storm. I just want spring. I'm so over chickening in this winter weather and everything, you know, the front porch and my knee and, you know, it's just everything. It's everything accumulative. So, all right. Well, if you guys like these videos and you're watching them, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment underneath, share with your friends, tell them about us. And I will be doing more and more videos. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.